Yes, people, it is here. Yep, I did my research and I was between. I'm just gonna walk around, just get you different looks at it, because it's from what I found, my research. And damn it, Nebraska Furniture Mart, you did it again. Two big sales. This guy, which I think I talked about before, I'm gonna get rid of him. Still solid. But yeah, this is the Sony Bravia. Actually, I'm not too familiar with the X900. Yeah, all that lettered alphanumeric crap doesn't really sit with me. I was between this. I knew the Sony was. It's kind of like a luxury vehicle that you're like, you shouldn't get in one, but then you do, and then you're like, well, I can't not ever not get in this. So you gotta buy it or lease it, whatever. Same thing here. I saw it when I walked in. I had my research. I was deadlocked on my Samsung. It was the latest model, but it was around 1500 or so. And I went there and I was like, oh, let's see if they have it. Met a guy. His name was Corey. Really cool dude. Really, they truly train those guys at Nebraska in their electronics. So I was pretty thoroughly impressed with the insight I was given. I could just tell from when he was describing the TV, I knew it in the back of my mind, but I wanted to see if he knew it. Because I knew the Sony was going to be top of the line. I couldn't remember the exact model, but I basically went for like number 3, the 3 spot, because of price. So that's why I settled on the Samsung. Really good TV, 75 inch as well. I saw it first at Costco, and I was like, man, that looks really good. Really crisp, really sharp. But once I went to Nebraska Furniture Mart, I walked by this puppy, saw it hanging there. I was like, fuck, they look real. Like, the people look like they're walking towards me. So I was just like, man, damn. It's the TV. Let me go talk about the TV I want. And then he gave me the details on it. But I just asked him to get real with me, man. I said, hey, if money wasn't an object and, knowing what what TV would you buy? And then he walked me over to the TV I was eyeing. Was like, no, she's out of my league. And he was like, that one. I was like, fuck. And then he went, we did what I would normally do, if I was perusing my TV, and what's this Android box? And yeah, it just impressed me. He knew his stuff, and we walked through it, and I was like, man, there's no way I can not have this TV, because then I will look at my TV and be like, I could do better. I was like, damn. So I just figured I would invest in myself. I had other TVs, so I got rid of those. I sold those off. I did the responsible thing. I got rid of those guys. And then I upgraded basically. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna enjoy this. See if we'll get it set up tomorrow. I have a guy coming through to set up my Sonos and to my Bravia, my Sony Bravia, and then yeah, I will keep you posted. But yeah, this is the new TV I got. Let's go ahead and cut this open. Give you a little more exclusive content. I don't think I'm gonna try to pull the sucker out though. That's not gonna happen. Oh yeah, and then the cutter that I had, I just moved, so my stuff is everywhere. I left a lot of stuff at the house, for my roommate to move out. But yeah, so the people that moved me here, some really good Puerto Ricans, really cool people, man. They moved me in the summer, and yeah, for the most part, they did a really good job. Just can't really complain. It's the summer. That move sucks. Let's see if we can see. Oh, there we go. We saw a little controller. Okay. All right. So, see it right there. A setup guide right when you open it. Make your life easier. Because yeah, this TV, I imagine it's highly, it's got a lot of features on it. Alright, we're not going to worry about that right now, one-handed. But let's go to the next thing here. Let's see, what is this in the puppy? Oh, I think these are the legs. I'm not gonna use these. I'm gonna hang it right there. Hang that. So these guys, whenever, I don't know, maybe later in life, maybe when I sell this puppy. I don't see that happening for a while. But here's the controller. Let's look at it real quick. So, not really sure what that button is, but that's pretty interesting. The input. And again, I'll give you a follow-up because I'll have to figure out what all this stuff is. The Google Play. These are just access points. You hit the Netflix to go straight to it. Google Play to go like to your music, etc. I don't really partake in Google Play, but maybe that changes now. So yeah, this remote's pretty good. Nothing too bulky. Pretty good grip on it, even though I'm not really touching it. But just, I'm gonna use the word. The girth is, you know, feasible. It's nothing crazy. But there's one more thing over here. I think this is the other. Yeah. So the other part of the legs here. All right, and yeah, I'm not gonna unbox it completely. Because yeah, that's what I'm paying that dude for. So yeah, he'll do the whole shebang bang. I may or may not show the final setup. Still pending. See how this goes. But yeah, appreciate it. This is you know, some more exclusive content. You know, I've always wondered what the hell it was like to have a TV like this, and the, you know, the Sonos, always wanting it. You know, just finally squeezing the trigger, jumping off. You know, I'm investing in myself. So I appreciate you watching. Have a lovely day. Bye.